how can we flip the whole document in Photopea. After you load your document, simply head to Image menu at the top, head for Transform, and you will see option to flip horizontally and flip vertically. As you may notice, the whole document flipped. I got two layers here and both of them been flipped. Same thing with the vertical way. So Image, Transform, flip vertically, and the whole documents, all of the layers will flip. What if you want to flip only one object? Then select that certain layer, and instead of going to Image menu, this time we go to Edit menu. And from here we can select Transform just for this one object, and we can flip it horizontally. Here it is again, Edit, Transform, flip vertically like that. And of course, if we go back to the image, you can still apply this to the whole document. Alright, so here it is. To flip your objects, simply head to the Image menu. This will flip the whole document. If you want to flip only one object, select that layer, and instead of Image, select Edit, Transform, and flip from here. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.